Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to thread the Overlock browser 1034D. You can thread the Overlock in two ways. First method. Cut the threads in the spool you need. Swap spools. Connect the threads from the spools with a triple knot. Cut off excess threads. Tighten the threads a little, in case when you need to replace an empty spool with a new one. Cut the threads in the desired spool, insert a new spool, connect the threads with a triple knot. Cut off excess threads. Tighten the threads a little. Start to use Overlock at a slow speed. As soon as you notice knots in the fabric, you can continue using the Overlock at a fast speed from now on. Second way. Install 4 coils. Pass each thread through the hole in the thread guide stand. You need to start threading the Overlock from the third row, then the fourth row, next one goes the second row, and the last one the first row. attach the overlock foot. If you are just starting to sew, I recommend that you leave all settings that are set by manufacturer. I hope you liked this video. If so, thumbs up. Please make sure to share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel. I release a new video twice a month, and right now I'm working on releasing a video once a week. Please leave comments with ideas of what you are interested in that I sew and show on my channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!